Hello friends, welcome to my channel Prachi Style. Thank you for watching my videos and thank you for your support. Here I am with another video of a shopping haul for all the things which we have bought from Portugal. So my husband recently went on a trip to Portugal in Europe, and these are all the things which he bought back as souvenirs from his trip there. So I just thought I should share this with you so that if anybody is traveling to Portugal, this might be helpful for them. So to start with, these are handmade chocolates which he bought from Lisbon, I think. And these are in unique flavors like ginja cherry. This is passion fruit, and this is Madeira wine flavor. So Portugal is quite famous for their wines and a lot of wineries. So this is their standard and signature wine flavored chocolates. These are actually tiles which are peculiar to find in Portugal, which is also, I think, replicated in Goa because of Portuguese influence in Goan culture. So these are the tiles which are called as azulos in Portuguese, which means glazed colored ceramic tiles used in Spanish and Portuguese decorative art. I also saw that this particular pattern and this border is replicated in the heritage sites of Portugal. So it's the cathedrals, churches. So all the walls there or tourist spots have these patterns. So this is a part of their culture, and this is just peculiar to Portugal. So I just wanted him to bring this. Since we can't use one tile around the house, I was quite curious as to how he brings it. But I just wanted to have this pattern. So he bought it in the form of a coaster, which I really liked because whenever you use this coaster, it will always remind you of Portugal, and I really like that. Also, this is a sardine standee. So sardines are also quite famous in Portugal. So since we are vegetarians, um, we just thought we could bring them back as souvenirs. But if you are a fish lover, you can bring canned sardines, which are quite popular and also readily available everywhere in Portugal. So they also have that same peculiar blue and white pattern on them. And somebody told him, some colleagues as well as the person who was selling this, that if you keep this sardine in your house, it brings good luck. So he bought it. Also, it's a good souvenir for you to just place it in your showcase. uh, Also, he bought this cute small cup, which I really liked and would always remind us of Portugal because of the pattern used on this. And it's small, but it also has a matching spoon, so you can just place it in your crockery rack and it stands out. Also, these are few of the magnets. This is the same ahulo tile, and this is a magnet for Lisboa. I have seen this magnet in most of the places, most of the videos and websites online because I think it's quite famous. Lisboa is also always associated with this picture of this train, so I think it's quite famous in Lisboa. Also, he has bought this magnet, which I really like because of the way the golden color, which really makes it look elegant and rich. Also, I like this copper stripe, which really makes it look very cool. So I really love this magnet. Also, one more magnet which he bought is from this with Portugal written. So these are sardines and these are the web heritage sites. Also, this is the cork design. So Portugal is also famous for its cork accessories like bags, shopping bags. They also have t-shirts, but since we didn't like it that much, he didn't buy it, but if you like such accessories, you can definitely try it in Lisbon. Also, Lisbon is famous for their perfumeries. You can definitely try perfumes there. Lisbon is also famous, Portugal in general is famous for leather goods, which he did not get time to explore because it was raining heavily when he traveled to Lisbon. So he could not explore most of the places. So he could also not get the soaps, which are quite famous in Portugal, handmade soaps, which are usually in variants like orange, olive oil, wine. But he just did not get time to visit any place which was selling handmade soaps, natural soaps. But if you have time, if you are traveling some other season, you should definitely check out the handmade soaps and beauty products ranges in Lisbon, Portugal, and especially in Porto. Porto, you'll definitely get handmade soaps and leather goods. So, if you are going to Portugal, do not miss out on these things. Uh, I think this video might help somebody, all of those people who are traveling to Portugal. And that's it from my end today. But thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me. If you like my videos, please do consider to like, share and subscribe. If you are watching this video from your YouTube app on the mobile phone, please hype this video so that it reaches more people and helps my channel to grow. So until my next video, have a very good day. Goodbye to all of you. Thank you.